Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aarti from Nisarga Herbs, and today I'll be talking about memory, concentration and focus in children and some of the brain herbs that would be very helpful in improving memory and concentration in them. In today's world, we can commonly witness a disturbed state of mental well-being in most of the children. Many kids are often being forgetful, or they cannot concentrate or lose their focus immediately. It is likely that something very common is causing forgetfulness and these kind of mental issues. When kids are sleep deprived, they can be easily distracted and more likely to make errors. Stress and anxiety can also be factors leading to reduced concentration and focus in children. When kids go through stressful situations or emotional shocks, it affects their brain ability to focus and concentrate. Declining focus also could be result from lifestyle issues such as depression, mental fatigue, poor sleep, dehydration, unhealthy diet or sedentary behavior, or some of the stimulating medications that they are taking. Too much of stress or not enough sleep can make kids forgetful and increase their anxiety levels. Sometimes it becomes troublesome for a child following directions and remembering things. Parents feel that they need to keep repeating the things as their child is not able to remember or follow their instructions even after telling a particular thing twice, thrice, or even more times. There is a lot you can do to take back control of your child's attention and focus and then use it in a productive way for development of your child. To better manage your child's attention and time, it is essential to understand how the time of the day is actually spent. Look out for the activities or the tasks that your child is doing which is leading to waste of time, and try to prioritize the time accordingly. If you are studying and have your cell phone close by and it keeps on buzzing time from time, it is clearly a distractor and you should keep it away while focusing for a certain task. Studying or focusing on a particular task while TV is running in the background is also a bad distraction. If your child is having issue with focus and attention, ensure that to set a particular time for work and for play. Being strict in the beginning and enforcing these time slots will discipline your child and unconsciously train them that nothing else is happening while focusing at a particular task. Learning to prioritize, especially during college and work, is very important tool in maintaining focus and attention. So it is important to identify which work is genuinely important and do it on priority. Evaluate which tasks are important to reach your goals and focus on them. Knowing something is critical for your own success is a great incentive to maintain focus and attention subconsciously. Since our attention and focus spans are limited, it is important to prioritize what is important to you. So here comes Ayurveda and helps you in improving your focus, memory and concentration. Ayurveda recommends some of the brain nourishing herbs called Medhya Rasayanas, which are useful in enhancing brain functions. I would like to mention some of the herbs that would be very useful in children to improve their focus and concentration. I would like to talk about Brahmi. Traditionally, Brahmi was used as a brain tonic to support memory, learning and concentration. This herb is a powerful rejuvenator that enhances mental activity, brain functioning, and it overcomes nervousness or restlessness in children. Brahmi contains bacosides, bacoside A and bacoside B, that improve memory, concentration, focus in the brain. According to ancient Ayurvedic literature, Brahmi was used by scholars or rishis and their students to help memorize lengthy Vedic texts. Due to its calming and nurturing properties, Brahmi is beneficial for highly stressful work or study environments. Brahmi means creativity and consciousness that stimulates the awareness in mind. It is helpful in balancing Vata, Pitta and Kapha and strengthens your body. This highly mind-enhancing health tonic is something that can be taken to bring a better memory and concentration to you. It supports mental clarity by aiding coordination between neurons. It is used in Ayurveda to improve mental clarity and brain functions. This is an effective herb that is known to improve cerebral blood circulation. It allows oxygen-rich blood to penetrate deep into the brain, and it works as an antioxidant also. Brahmi is known to calm your brain, helping your body to cope with stressful situations. It helps in reducing unwanted thoughts. It calms down your mind and promotes relaxation, thereby improving concentration and focus. So it supports your intellect, consciousness, longevity, and it protects your neurons or cells and increases the chemicals associated with brain and learning. I would like to talk about a fantastic herb that is Jyotishmati. Jyoti means light and Mati means brain. Thus, the name itself indicates that the herb enlightens your brain. It improves learning and memory. It is known to have antioxidant properties and to protect neuronal cells against damage caused due to oxidative stress. So Jyotishmati has been used as a brain tonic for since years, and it has a specific prabhav or special qualities, that is it is a medhya rasayana which is helpful in improving brain functions. Properties that improve intellect: the seeds of the plant improve functioning of the brain, nerves, joints and bones. It acts on acetylcholine levels of the brain and improves cognitive functions. Majority of the impact that is caused by Jyotishmati is because of its relation to neurotransmitters like serotonin, epinephrine and dopamine. Now I would like to talk about flaxseed. It helps to support body's response to stress and improves cognitive functions. Flaxseed oil is the best natural source of alpha-linolenic acid or ALA, the parent of omega-3 fatty acid family. When synthesized ALA is converted into DHA and EPA, two forms of essential omega-3 fatty acids needed for proper brain function. It is easily absorbed into the body and helpful for improving brain. Shankapushpi. It is quoted in Charaka to be a single greatest herb for enhancing all the three aspects of brain. Namely, D means learning, Dhriti is memory and Smriti is recall. Thus, it is called the greatest Medhya Rasayana, which enhances ability of the brain to perform. Vacha. Vacha in Sanskrit means speaking clearly, because this herb stimulates intelligence and expression. Daily consumption of Vacha is helpful in managing speech disorders due to Vata balancing properties of Vacha. Vacha improves memory by fighting against cell damage caused by free radicals. As it is an antioxidant, it improves behavioral changes, memory and mental performances as well. It is known to help treat various mental diseases and improving mental memory and recall functions. Brahmi and Vacha in combination would be great in increasing memory, reducing hyperactivity and thereby improving concentration. Ginger. It is known as a Vishwa Bheshaja. Also, it is a Rasayana herb, meaning it is a universal medicine in Ayurveda. It is known to increase absorption and efficacy of other herbs. It helps in supporting or sharpening the senses, aiding memory, reducing tiredness and nervous exhaustion. So at Nisarga Herbs, we have a clinically proven US patented formulation called NeuroSmart, and NeuroSmart is a great combination of the herbs we just talked about and has a clinically tested to improve attention and focus span. It is widely recommended by leading counselors, pediatricians as well as neuropsychologists for development of brain as well as improve IQ, attention and focus span. I would definitely recommend you try NeuroSmart to improve your focus and attention. It is clinically studied and the results were seen as soon as 15 days after regular consumption of product. Participants could focus better and their ADD scores were reduced. Also, there was improvement seen in IQ score. NeuroSmart is made with herbs grown on our own organic farms and processed with GMP standard in a FDA certified facility. The product is clinically tested for microbiology, heavy metals and impurities. With Nisarga Herbs, you are assured to have every day a healthy way. I recommend you visit www.nisargaherbs.com for more information on our products. Thank you.